going to be a video on what's in my purse. A lot of my Pretty Game Babies requested this. Not a lot, but like a select few of you did. It was more than one of you that requested it. I was waiting to do this because, you know, your girl a little extra. I had to get the right bag because that's my old bag right there. And as you can see, it's a piece of crap. It's an Aldo bag, but like it just went to crap. So first and foremost, before we get in this video, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because if you are a part of the Pretty Gang, baby, what are you doing? Next, I want you to tell everybody that you know about your girl. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys my purse. I actually just bought this purse, which is why it's the perfect timing to do this video. So yeah, so it's just this Aldo bag. This bag was like maybe $60 or whatever, plus tax. So this is the bag, and I seen this bag and I was like, girl, you know what, I gotta get it. So it comes like this linked chain, and then this, I don't know if this is even leather, but this leather strap, these flowers on it, and it has this little tag that says Aldo on it. Am I holding this right? I hope so. Hopefully I'm not blinding y'all. It says Aldo on it. As you know, right here says it, and this is just it. Comes with the zipper in the back. I don't have anything in there. So let's just get into what's in my purse. Now, I'm gonna be blunt with you. I don't carry a lot in my purse, especially since this is a new purse, so not a lot's gonna be in here. But I'm gonna just straight off the rip show y'all what your girl got in here, okay? Sorry if I'm rough. I'm usually rough. This is nothing new. Right quick. Nothing major, nothing special, you know what I'm saying? Thing I got, this is a little TMI, but it's just realistic. I have these pads in here. I got some pads. It's just some, I think these are, there's some type of brand of pads, but I always keep these in here because, baby girl, you never know. Do not lack, y'all. Make sure you keep some in here. I got like 3 in here. I'm gonna let y'all see it. I have 3 in here just because you never know. And I have a weird cycle, like mine will come, like it has weird timing, bad time. So I try to make sure I stay, you know, stay ready. Then I also have, because I feel like if you don't have this, baby girl, what are you doing? I feel like everybody should have just a pack of baby wipes. Just a pack of baby wipes in your purse, because why wouldn't you have a pack of baby wipes in your purse? Pack of baby wipes in your purse, you should definitely, yeah. It's come in handy, I'm telling you. If you want to see your boyfriend, they come in handy. If you use the bathroom, like every time, especially for women, every time, especially when you do the number 2, we know what the number 2 is now. When you do the number 2, you should definitely be wiping yourself. Even if you're not doing number 2, it's just another extra step of clean, and just making sure you clean yourself even after you and your man, you know, do what you do, and whatever y'all doing when you do it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you're cleaning yourself after, and make sure you're going to the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? These wipes are necessary. I buy a whole bunch at a time. They sell them at the Dollar Tree. Don't spend $4 or $5 on a pack of them when you can get them for $1. This little wallet that came with a book bag I had, and this is just a wallet I've been keeping with me ever since. So I got my cards, my, you know, ID and all that stuff in it. This is a little, I might seem a little ghetto, a little crazy for this, but honestly, y'all, as women, it's dangerous out here, and if you don't have anything on you, that's not good, especially in this society, in this day and age. People in this world are so crazy and creepy. You gotta keep some type of protection on you. So I definitely recommend, you know, I got this little box cutter, you know what I'm saying, in case I need to slice me somebody up sharp, you know what I'm saying, just a little box cutter. I know I seem a little crazy, but I'm just protecting myself, I promise you. I'm not trying to hurt anybody. That's not my intentions. I just keep it for protection, just to keep myself safe. People is weird out here, okay? They will get you, especially sex trafficking is high, ladies. Please stay safe. Get you some mace. These are a box cutter or some mace, or both is cheap. You don't have to pay nothing, okay? First, why wouldn't you? I got some hand sanitizer on me. It's just a little cheap hand sanitizer. Gets the job done. Sanitizes my hands. If you don't have sanitizer on you, baby. Lip balm. You have to have some lip balm because you need to keep your lips moist. Baby, something ain't right. So I keep a lip balm in here just in case my lips get crusty. Also, I got this NYX butter gloss, which I love this stuff. TV is never on. I'm gonna start cutting it on for y'all so y'all could like see something playing in the background. It's never on. I don't watch TV. I don't know why I even got a TV. I got this vitamin E. Hopefully y'all can see it. Vitamin E lip gloss, and I just keep lip gloss because you want your lips to look good, should pop in. So this is some, but you need to keep something on you for your breath, because sometimes, y'all, like I said, we're human. We have days when, or moments when, you know, we just ate something, the breath ain't smelling the most freshest, you know what I'm saying? So I'm real big on that. So I like to try to make sure I keep some Altoids or some gum, some form of something minty, just to keep some form of some type of mint, just to keep everything fresh, you know what I'm saying? So that way, if you pack your purse the way I pack mine, you're not lacking. You got protection, you got something to clean your downstairs, you got pads in case the menstrual want to tweak, you got deodorant in case you forget or you get a little musty, you got lip gloss in case your lips get crusty. What else? At the whole shebang, right? So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, because you help me and you make this possible. Well, after God, of course, after Jesus, of course. But make sure you subscribe, tell everybody you know about your girl, thumbs this video up, because I like when you thumbs it up. And without further ado, until next time, pretty gang.